Flip hunts are scavenger hunts, and the one I've created is a modified scavenger hunt because we don't want kids running around our room looking for things. So it's more of using their brains as where they're going to find their answers. So if you come down here to the student and teacher instructions, it will take you to this Google Doc, and team member names are here. The student directions are make a video to document each level, and the levels are down here. Write in the title for each video. Everyone in your group must be in every video. Each video is limited to 90 seconds. Tasks can be accomplished in any order. The team with the greatest number of points wins. Your video responses should be respectful and school appropriate. So there are 6 challenges. The titles are Survivor, What Are You, This or That, Math, Support Song, and Family Time. And here are the points. So if they want to start with 100, they certainly can. So for example, Survivor, you're on a deserted island and can take only one song with you to hear over and over again. What song would it be and why did you choose it? Every member must answer. So if it's individual, they have 90 seconds. That's going to be easy. If there's partners, that's still 90 seconds. They're going to be pretty easy. If there's 3 in the group, it's going to be a little more challenging to get it done in 90 seconds. Next, what are you? Are you more of a music consumer or music maker? Explain. Every member must answer. Rock or rap? Which one would you choose and why? Every member must answer. Now, this one I said, as a group, explain the difference between half notes, quarter notes, and eighth notes. So they could have a little 90-second discussion back and forth about that. And then you can read the rest of them. So the teacher directions, click on the 3 dots in the top right of page, choose duplicate topic. And this is really important. If you use the one I have to assign to your students, then your responses will be on that page. And it's not going to hurt anything exactly, because then if somebody else comes and sees those responses, all they have to do is duplicate the topic, and none of the responses will go with the duplication of the topic. So, but it's better if you duplicate the topic, and you want to duplicate the topic for each class. Conceivably, with 6 challenges, and you had, let's say you had 10 groupings in the room, that's a lot of videos, and you wouldn't want to mix up classes. It would just get to be overwhelming. Once you've duplicated it, you can go in there and you can edit things. The join code for the students is at the top of the page. You would want a hard copy for your students so they can keep track of the challenges and their points. Who can play? Each group will need a device to record their responses. After playtime is over, students can go back and view other responses, which is a lot of fun for them and great learning. So let's go and look and see how those directions work. So you're going to come to the 3 dots and you're going to go to duplicate topic, and then you're going to need to select a group. And if you don't have a Flipgrid group, you will need to make one. I have lots of them because I used Flipgrid a lot. But once you select do a group, you hit duplicate, it'll go into that group for you. And you will get something that looks just like this. Now, if you're on your teacher Flipgrid page, or Flip as it's now called, all you have to do is go to groups, and then you can add a new group. So if I go to group and I hit, there's topics. If I go to groups, I can hit add a group, and that's how you go about adding a group. So let me go back here. Now, when you want the kids to actually do the flip hunt, you're going to give them this join code right here. And if you hit the share button, you're going to get the copy link. So they'll come here, they'll put in the join code, and off they go. All right, if you have any questions, just reach out to me on Oodles or my email that's listed on there as well, and I will help you out. It sounds like a really fun activity, and I hope it works for you.